Hi guys! Today we are learning how to recover deleted photos from Google Drive. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Drive app. Make sure you're signed in to the account where your deleted photos were stored. Now tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the side menu. This menu gives you access to different sections of your Google Drive account. From the menu, tap Bin. Any files or photos you've recently deleted and are still recoverable will appear here. Find the photo you want to recover and tap the three-dot menu beside it. This will open additional options for that file. Finally, tap Restore to recover the deleted photo. The photo will be moved back to its original location in your Google Drive, where you can access it again. And that's how you can recover deleted photos from Google Drive in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.